Hello, this is lesson 9 in the series Learn to Play Bridge, and in this session we're going to have a look at improving your defense. There's already been a session on opening leads, which of course is very important in defense. So now we'll have a look at some of the tactics you can use to beat your opponent's contracts. These things include covering an honor with an honor, unblocking partner's suit, second hand plays low, third hand plays high. You're probably already doing some of these things, but it can help to put a name to some of the techniques you're already using. So which is the most difficult? Bidding, declare a play, or defense? Well, some things come more easily to some people than others. People tend to think that it's the bidding that's the most difficult, but really it's the defense which tops that. Why is that? Well, declarer has the advantage of being able to see both hands, their own hand and the dummy. Whereas when you're a defender, you can only see your hand, and your partner's hand is a mystery. And of course, you want these hands to play together well to make the most of the trick. So as a defender, you're aiming to defeat every contract. If declarer needs 10 tricks, you need to make 4 or preferably more. And to do that, the same as when you're doing declarer play, you need to have a bit of a plan. Let's look at second hand play. Declarer is always south here, so you are the defender in west. We'll just take this one heart suit. If declarer leads the 2, the saying goes, second plays low. But let's just see what happens if in second seat you play high. Let's say you think you'll win this one with the ace. Okay, 4 from dummy, 5 from partner. I'm going to take those out of the picture now. So how many tricks is declarer going to make? So declarer is going to make the king and the queen here. You will make the ace, and if you're in no trump, you may also make the 4th trick. So let's try that again. Declarer leads the 2. Now we're doing what we should do. We play low. The declarer is going to come up with the king, low from partner. Declarer has one trick here. Take those out. Now how many tricks is declarer going to win? Well, no more, because the ace is sitting over the queen. So if you play low first time round and save your ace, declarer makes the king. Remember last time when we played high, declarer made both the king and the queen. So that second hand plays low, and then third hand plays high. When you are the third hand to play as a defender, you should be playing a high card. Let's have a look at this example here. Your partner leads a 5, a 2 from dummy, and you want to play high here. If you play the 9, then of course declarer is going to win the trick with the 10, thereby making an extra trick. So you must play high. You have queen jack. So when you're responding to your partner's lead here, you play so the lowest of touching honors. That helps your partner to locate where the queen is. So this time, declarer must play their ace if they want to win the trick. If you played the 9 here, then declarer would have won it with the 10 and still have the ace to play. How high in third seat? That can be more difficult. Your partner here leading the 3 of hearts, low from the dummy. We've got a jack and an ace. Which should we play? The motto is to play as high as you need to, or as high as is necessary, but not necessarily the highest card that you have. Can you see here that if you play the ace of a wasted card, you have ace jack in your hand, your partner has led the 3 of hearts. Now, a low card normally will promise an honor. So, and we can see 3 honors. There's the queen in dummy. We have ace jack. That means partner must have led from the king. In which case, you play the jack here because that is high enough to win the trick. and then you can play the ace back to partner. You don't have to waste your ace. Covering honours. I think you will have heard of this one also. Cover an honour with an honour. Declarer is in the south seat here again, and plays the queen from dummy. And the guideline suggests here that you play the king, and that will force out the ace. The king forces out the ace, so declarers had to play 2 high cards to win 1 trick. This game was in no trump, and declarer now wins the jack and the 10. That leaves West's hand with a 9, which will make it a trick. So if you play the 8, then declarer makes all 4 tricks. Next, we'll have a look at unblocking partner's suit. We're going to be sitting in east seat. Partner is west. Partner leads the king. 3 from dummy. We want to play the 5, don't we? We don't want to take partner's king. But unfortunately, we must, because that's the only way that we can unblock the suit. Just to go back there, if we play the 5 here, next time partner plays a heart, we'll take it with the ace, and then we won't have a heart to lead back to partner's long suit. Now, that may be all right if your partner's hand has other entries to get back to the suit, but if they don't, you can really be wasting some tricks there. So it's called unblocking after partner's lead. You're sending the lead back to partner by playing the ace first and then the 5. In this first defending hand, we follow one of the guidelines for declarer play in no trump, which is to establish any long suits held by your partnership. West is dealer, so to open the bidding, what are we going to do here? With 14 high card points. We're bidding the Zakol, we're playing a weak no trump. We've got a 5 card minor suit there, but we're not going to be interested in that. We're going to simply bid 1 no trump. We've got a very balanced hand, a 5-3-3-2 shape. Not much that North can do here. That's our passing. East also passing, 0 to 10 points, opposite a weak no trump. That's a pass. Unless you've got a 5 card suit and want to rescue partner from 1 no trump. And then we also have a pass from our seat in South. 1 no trump is the contract. So what opening lead are we going to make from this North hand? Yes, we're in 1 no trump, so we're going to lead our longest suit. It happens to be a major as well, which is helpful. And which card are we going to lead from that suit? We're going to lead the 4th down. Declarer is going to play low from the dummy. And we're going to win this trick with the ace. Now that was a low lead from partner, promising an honor card. So we had the ace and the jack, so partner has either the king or the queen. So in terms of lead here, we're going to lead back partner's suit. Now we've got a double to left, so we should be leading the jack. 5 from west, 6, 9. So we've won that trick. And now we play the 2, queen, king from partner, diamond discard. So the 10 of spades now. Some nice easy tricks in no trump. And that final 8 of spades from partner. We have to play high here to the ace. West is going to make a switch here to diamond. I think we can speed this up a bit now. You can see here that declarer has the rest of the tricks apart from that ace of clubs. Fortunately, we don't make the 9 because East still holds the queen. Nevertheless, a good result for the defense. We've made an extra trick that puts East-West down by 1 trick for a score of minus 100 points because they were vulnerable. On this one, we were in 1 no trump by West. North led the 4th down from longest suit. This lovely length in spades, we're able to defeat that contract quite easily. It's quite often the case in no trump that we just need 1 suit in order to bring the contract down. In this hand, we're sitting in the south seat. East-West are vulnerable, and it's West still. So 1 no trump, that's a weak no trump, 12 to 14. And a quick response from East, 3 no trump. Clearly nothing we can do here with our rather miserable 4 points. So I think that's a definite pass. Or 3 no trump by West. And that's pushing North, our partner, on opening lead. The King of Spades. So partner has led the king. East plays the 3. And it will probably be instinctive for us to play the 2 of spades. So partner's going to win that. Now partner plays the 4. We can play the ace. And now we have a bit of a problem. We can see the dummy. All the strength is in dummy apart from in the spades, but we're out of spades. No suits were bid. Perhaps we should play a diamond to partner. Okay, declarer is now in the game. With our points here, we're not feeling very optimistic about this. Okay, so declarer has claimed the rest of the tricks. So we will let that play through fairly quickly. Let's see what happens. Wow. So East-West have made the contract with 2 over tricks and scoring, because they were vulnerable, 660 points. I might say that we didn't really have much defense. We've 4 points. Partner has 6. So our opponents had 30 points between them, if you remember. The bidding went 1 no trump, 3 no trump. But what happened here was that partner played their longest and their best suit, which were the spades, but we failed to unblock the suit for them. We're going to play the same contract again. So the contract, remember, is 3 no trump. This time, instead of reaching for our 2, we have to think about partner's lead. That king of spades almost certainly will promise at least the queen and probably the jack of spades as well. It's clearly partner's best suit, but as we saw last time, if we play the 2, we end up blocking the suit and partner is unable to reach their spades again. It might be hard to do, but with this holding, what we need to do is unblock. We need to play that ace and win the king. And then we know we can play the 2 back, and partner will be able to take it with the queen and any further spades if they have them. So this time, partner wins with the jack. And now partner, because we've unblocked the suit, partner is able to run this lovely spade suit. We better throw something away here. We've already done better than last time. That's 3 spade tricks to our side. 4. This will be our 4th spade trick. And there's 1 more. Fantastic. Now, of course, Declarer gets back in with the king, and probably, yes, the Declarer is claiming the rest of the tricks. And again, we'll just speed that up to the end. So this time, although East-West have the balance of the points, by far they have 30 points, but because of this long suit, because we were alert to the fact that we needed to unblock the suit by playing the ace and then playing the 2 back so that partner could run the rest of those spades. So that's a very useful tip, one to watch out for, and one where it's very easy to fall into the trap of playing the 2. So East-West down by a trick, 100 points. We can see down here, clearly very disappointing for East-West. They didn't have any cover in spades, but with 30 points, they make the bid of 3 no trump. Unblocking partner's suit, very important. We've just covered a few aspects of basic defense in this lesson, but nevertheless, I hope these have been useful. Goodbye.